this is a home tour. This is a duplex unit located at 745 Boughton in Ogden. We are looking at this right unit here, unit 745. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 1,800 square foot duplex. And we have a driveway parking right here with a storage shed in the back here. So we're just gonna go through the front door. We've got mature landscaping. All right, so we'll enter in here right to the family room. So this unit has recently been remodeled. We've got new carpet, paint. We've got a closet right here in the front family room. Let's get a picture real quick. And then we'll go down the hallway and we'll catch we've got a nice storage built-in unit right here in the hallway. And then right here to the right, we've got bedroom number 1. This is a bigger bedroom, good size. And a closet here. And then we'll grab bedroom number 2. This one's a little bit smaller. Also a nice size closet. And then just right next door is the bathroom. This is bathroom 1. So we've got tile floors, tile surround in the bathroom, vanity, and then we've got the toilet just right there. All right, let's catch the kitchen here. It is just down from, just behind the family room. Nice, bright, white cabinets, new cabinets and countertops. We do have a new stove in this unit as well. That's our kitchen. There's the fridge. So this door right here leads to the basement where we've got 3 more bedrooms and another bathroom. I'm just gonna catch the backyard really quick while we're right here. So we've got a nice sized backyard here. There's also a basement access, so you can get to the basement from the outside. All right, we're gonna head downstairs. Okay, so we've got another big family room right here in the basement. Nice size family room. This is actually an exterior entrance. This goes to the front, so you get to this unit from the front yard. There is a basement entrance. So just here off the family room, we've got another bedroom with nice flooring, closet, and then we've got another bedroom here just off to the family room. Good size bedroom. This one just kind of has a nook here for the closet. And then we'll get this last bedroom here. This one's similar to the one upstairs, similar in size, a little bit smaller. And then we've got a closet here. And then the bathroom down here. Nice bright bathroom. So that's the bathroom. Okay, that's it. So second family room downstairs, 3 beds, 1 bath downstairs. And the upstairs has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, another family room. And let me just catch this closet right here. Oh, this is a storage closet. So I was wrong. This door right here goes to the exterior. This is where the washer and dryer hookups are. So your Washer and dryer hookups that are in this little storage area. And that's it for this unit. If you're interested in applying for this property, visit our website at nvpm.com and click on rental search, and you can submit your application there.